64వ జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డులను ప్రకటించింది జ్యూరీ. ఢిల్లీలో మీడియాకు వివరాలను చెప్పిండ్రు. తెలుగు సినిమా పెళ్లి చూపులకు 2 అవార్డులు వచ్చినాయి. బెస్ట్ డైలాగ్ రైటర్ గా ఈ సినిమాకి తరుణ్ భాస్కర్ కు అవార్డు వచ్చింది. ఉత్తమ తెలుగు చిత్రంగా పెళ్లి చూపులు అవార్డు గెలుచుకుంది. బెస్ట్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్ గా జనతా గ్యారేజ్ కు రాజు సుందరం అవార్డు గెలుచుకున్నాడు. ఇక జాతీయ ఉత్తమ నటుడి అవార్డును రుస్తుం సినిమాకు అక్షయ్ కుమార్ కి ఇచ్చిండ్రు. ఉత్తమ హిందీ చిత్రంగా నీర్జా ఎంపికైంది. అరవై 64వ జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డులను ప్రకటించిండ్రు జ్యూరీ. ఢిల్లీలో మీడియాకు ఈ వివరాలను చెప్పిండ్రు. తెలుగు సినిమా పెళ్లి చూపులకు 2 అవార్డులు వచ్చినాయి. బెస్ట్ డైలాగ్ రైటర్ గా ఈ సినిమాకి తరుణ్ భాస్కర్ కు అవార్డు వచ్చింది. ఇక ఉత్తమ తెలుగు చిత్రంగా పెళ్లి చూపులు అవార్డు గెలుచుకుంది. బెస్ట్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్ గా జనతా గ్యారేజ్ కు రాజు సుందరం అవార్డు గెలుచుకున్నాడు. ఇక జాతీయ ఉత్తమ నటుడి అవార్డును రుస్తుం సినిమాకు అక్షయ్ కుమార్ కి ఇచ్చిండ్రు. ఉత్తమ హిందీ చిత్రంగా నీర్జా ఎంపికైంది.
We are happy that the industry has also taken to it in a good way, and we were supported by them, and we received a large number of entries. This year, there were 344 films in 26 languages were received as eligible entries for the feature films, and 263 films in 26 languages were received as eligible entries for the non-feature film section. We had 33 books and 18 critics which were eligible entries for the best writing in cinema. And we've had the jury working for the almost last 1.5 months with us for ensuring that the best of Indian cinema gets honored. I would like to especially thank all the jury chairpersons here, and I would also like to acknowledge some of the jury members who are here present today of the central panel. I would like to just read out the names so that we can acknowledge them. We have, of course, for the feature film central jury, it was Priyadarsan Sir as a chairperson. And we have KG as a member and a regional chairperson, please, sir. And we also have Mr. Imo Singh. We have Mr. N. Chandra, eminent director. Shri Vasant Sai, again eminent director from Tamil Nadu. Mr. Girish Mote, eminent filmmaker from Marathi. Mr. C.V. Reddy from Andhra Pradesh. We have Ashok Rane ji. Mr. Devdas Chautre, a writer, acclaimed writer from Odisha. We have P. Chandrasekhar Reddy ji, again from Andhra. He's made more than 90 films so far. And we have Debashruti Roy Chaudhary from West Bengal. As part of the, we had a lot of members as a part of the regional jury. I think we need to give credit to them also. The list is in the press release that we will be issuing you. And we acknowledge the services of all of them because they have spent nearly the last 60 days with us, both the regional jury and the central jury together, to see that the best films are selected. As part of the non-feature jury, we have Sri Raj Mishra as the chairperson. He is already here. We had Mr. M.C. Rajnarayan. I think he has already left today. We have Preeti Tripathi, also is all left. So we have Mr. Maniram, filmmaker from Assam, Mr. Ashok Saran, and Mr. Sanjeev Ratan, I think has left. And we have Mr. Sushmit Ghosh. So this was small introduction of the jury, and we now have submitted the reports to the Honorable Minister for Information and Broadcasting last evening. The feature and non-feature jury and the writing jury had submitted the report to the Minister of State. So I request sir to please continue.
Done a wonderful job for us in having taken the way forward for the 64th National Awards. To start proceedings, may I now request Mr. Krish Jagramudi to announce the most friendly state award. Award, please, sir.
It's the first time basically you had to excuse me. On the basis of the detailed analysis and discussions relating to all the applications received from 16th state, the jury unanimously conferred the award for the most film-friendly state to the state of Uttar Pradesh for implementing a unique film policy, taking into account that the film medium is not only about entertainment, but it is also a very important vehicle of employment, social awareness and cultural development. The state's film policy includes various measures to create a suitable environment which not only invites shooting of films on a large scale in the state, but also promotes other activities which are related to various aspects of film production at the ground level, more importantly, including financial incentives and subsidies for the filmmakers. And in this category, we have a special mention award, which goes to the state of Jharkhand. We recognize the efforts made by the state of Jharkhand to foster the film industry and their endeavor to give incentives to filmmakers from across India. In addition to the above, we also felt that the film policy of Jharkhand provides growth opportunities to the local filmmaking talent from within the state. Thus, the jury recommended that Jharkhand should be given a special mention certificate. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we...
Writing on cinema, there were many in English, but many more in regional, included biographies, chronicles, conversations, musical journeys, and reflections on topics related to the business of the entertainment too. The Best Film Critic award chosen is for G. Dhananjayan for his in-depth analysis on a wide range of topics such as film genres, brands, new strategies in movie watching, taxation impact, and ticket pricing. His thought-provoking essays raise relevant issues affecting the movie watcher as well as the filmmaker and suggest practical solutions. Special mention to A Fly in the Curry. K.P. Jayashankar and Anjali Montero explore independent documentary films in India and revisit the relationships between filmmakers and their narratives. The book sets new standards in form and context in cinema studies. The best book on cinema goes to Lata Surgatha. Yatinder Mishra's encyclopedic presentation encompasses Lata Mangeshkar's life, 7-decade career, and its impact on Indian cinema. Divided into 3 sections, the book offers rare insights on the icon, her music, and reflects a changing nation.
Thank you, ma'am. May I now request...
non-feature film category, special mention. Forgive me if my Malayali I am not okay. So the title is Chembai Descopere e Mia Une Legende. This film gets a special mention. Reason being, this brings into focus the person of Chembai as a musician as well as a human being with vigor and vitality. A person who taught people like Jasdas and all. He's a great persona. So the award of special mention, pardon? Name of the Malayalam film? Priyam Sarvale, this one. I cannot pronounce.
English is looking very complicated.
Sorry, sir. The authority in Malay is difficult. Chembai Descopiere e a mia une legende, something like that. Please forgive and excuse.
I'm finding it difficult to read.
Yes, sir.
It is as per the entry form title that they have given, so I think we will have to go by that.
But it is about a gentleman who taught many legendary singers and musicians. Second special mention, Sikar Uru Sitkar. An imported film that uses the raw visual imagery to highlight the brutality of poaching. Poaching in Assam It is a very touching film. So this also gets a special mention. Again, for special, this year we had a lot of very good films. Special mention comes for The Eyes of Darkness, an important film that sheds light on the denial of justice to victims of a heinous crime. After Bhagalpur blindings, the criminals who were punished, what is their after effect in life? How they survive? The film is on that. It is a very touching film. So this film also gets a special mention. Best narration voice-over. Makino, a simply narrated daughter's ode to a father, makes his voice-over intensely personal, poignant and poetic. This is about a Japanese lady whose husband migrated after Second World War to India, stayed in Gandhigram, then in Santiniketan. It's an ode, it's a beautiful film, how they live their life after the Second World War. This film gets the best narration voiceover because that Japanese lady has narrated everything in Bengali language. It's very interesting. Best music. This is a very peculiar film. Leashes, got to see to believe. Okay. Best music, Leashes. Music director, Tanuj Tikku. Best editing, good. Editor, Jishu Sen. Best audiography, In Return Just a Book. Audiographer, Ajit Abraham George. Best cinematography. Giant awards, Kalpavriksha and Adniyat. Camera persons are Alpesh Nagar, Vishal Sangwai. Best direction, Abba Aite Na. Director, Aditya Suhas Jamble. Best film on family values, Little Magician. Producer Saeed Sultan Ahmad. Director Neha Sharma. Best short fiction film, Abba, produced by Rajkumar Gupta. Director Amar Kaushik. Best investigative film, Placebo. Producer Archana Fadke. Director Abhay Kumar. Best exploration and adventure film, including sports, Matile Kusti. Producer Madhavi Reddy. Director Prantik Vivek Deshmukh. Best educational film, The Waterfall. Producer Saeed Sultan Ahmad. Director Lipika Singh Dorai. Best film on social issues, I Am Jija and Sanat. Jointly awarded Best Social Film, film on social issues. Director Swati Chakravarti for I Am Jija. Producer Rajiv Mehrotra. For Sanat, director is Basant S. Sai. Producer is Priya Arun. Best environment film including agriculture, The Tiger Who Crossed the Line. Producer Krishnendu Bose. Director also Krishnendu Bose. Best Arts Cultural Film, jointly awarded to In the Shadow of Time. Producer Indira Gandhi National Center for Arts. Director Shankhajit De. Another film, The Lord of the Universe. Producer Shivu Prushti. Director Shivu Prushti. Best biographical / historical reconstruction, Zikr Us Parivash Ka. Begum Akhtar. Producer, Sangeet Natak Academy, Director Nirmal Chandar. Best debut film of a director, Souls, a ballad of melodies. Producer, Rajiv Mehrotra, PSBT, Director Tushar Madhav. Best non-feature film, Fireflies in the Abyss. Producer Chandrasekhar Reddy, Director also Chandrasekhar Reddy. Best location, sound, okay. Mention? Right. Remembering Kurdi, on location sound recordist, Christopher Bachel. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, categories, and may I now request Chairperson Priyadarshini ji to kindly announce the awards, please.
Good morning. Though we are, we start with a special mention. Kadvi Hawa. If it is for special mention, we have 4 films on special mention. That is, Kadvi Hawa is a producer is Eleonora Image Private Limited and Neela Mahapanda is a director. Second special mention goes to Mukti Bhavan Hindi, Red Carpet Movie Pictures and director Subhashish Bhutani. And the third one is this is Mukti Bhavan. They have repeated this. This is for special mention for Mr. Adil Hussain for 2 films, Mukti Bhavan and Majrati Ketki, Assami film that is, and the other one is Hindi film. The 4th special mention is for Nirja, Sonam Kapoor. It's for Sonam Kapoor for the film Nirja. These are the 4 special mention we have. And next category is the best feature film in each language other than those specified in Schedule 8 of the Constitution. So, best modern film, Handuk, that is producer Mayamara Production and director Jai Chung Jai Dohutia. Best Tulu film, Madipu, Asa Production, director Chetan Mundadi. Okay, sorry. Next is best feature film in each language specified in Schedule 8 of the Constitution. Best Tamil film, Joker, producer Dream Warrior Pictures and director is Raju Murugan. Best Gujarati film, Wrong Side Raju, producer Cineman Productions and Mikhail Musale, that's it, correct? Musale, yes. Best Telugu film, Pelli Chuplu, and producer is Dharmapata Creations and Tarun Bhaskar is the director. Best Marathi film, Dashakriya, producer Rangnil Creation, Sandeep Balachandra Patil, that is the director. Best Malayalam film is Maheshinte Pratikaram, Dream Mill Cinemas and Entertainment Private Limited. Director is Dilesh Potan. Best Konkani film is K. Zarazara, producer D. Gon Studio. Rajiv Shinte is the director. Best Kannada film is Reservation, producer Totta Damani and Nikhil Manoj is the director. Best Hindi film is Nirja, Producer is Foxstar Studios India Private Limited and Ram Madhwani is the director. Best Bengali film, Visarjan, and producer Mrs. Opera and Kaushik Ganguly is the director. Best Asami film, Maharati Ketki, producer is Uthara Films and director is Santwana Bordulai. Now that's it on the thing. Now comes another technical thing. Best special effects is for the Hindi film Shivai for Naveen Paul. Best choreography is the film Janata Garage Telugu Raju Sundaram. Now is the jury award for Mohanlal for Mundrivalligal Poothapol, Janata Garage and Pulimurugan. One is a Telugu film and 2 Malayalam films. And best lyrics, Dharmadurai for Vairamuthu. The song is Enda Pakam. This is shared with the film Praktan and the song Tumi Jaake Balobasho. That is Anupama Roy. Anupam Roy, the name is Anupam Roy. They both have shared this award. The music director is for and background both has gone to one person, that is Bapu Padmanabha for the Kannada film Alama. Best makeup artist again has gone to the Kannada film Alama for N.K. Ramakrishna. Best costume designer is for Cycle Marathi film for Sachin Lovalekar. Best production design, the film Tamil film 24 for Subrata Chakravarti, Shreyas Kadekar and Amit Ray. This is the team which has done the best editing is for the Marathi film Ventilator, Rameshwar. Best audiography, sound designer. This is for Kaadu Pookunna Neram, Jayadevan Chakada. And best re-recording and final mixing has gone to Ventilator for Alok Day. Female
అరవై 64వ జాతీయ చలనచిత్ర అవార్డులను ప్రకటించింది జ్యూరీ. ఢిల్లీలో మీడియాకు ఈ వివరాలను చెప్పిండ్రు. తెలుగు సినిమా పెళ్లి చూపులకు 2 అవార్డులు వచ్చినాయి. బెస్ట్ డైలాగ్ రైటర్ గా ఈ సినిమాకి తరుణ్ భాస్కర్ కు అవార్డు వచ్చింది. ఉత్తమ తెలుగు చిత్రంగా పెళ్లి చూపులు అవార్డు గెలుచుకుంది. బెస్ట్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్ గా జనతా గ్యారేజ్ కు రాజసుందరం అవార్డు గెలుచుకున్నాడు. ఇక జాతీయ ఉత్తమ నటుడి అవార్డును రుస్తుం సినిమాకు అక్షయ్ కుమార్ కి ఇచ్చిండ్రు. ఉత్తమ హిందీ చిత్రంగా నీర్జా ఎంపికైంది.